Imagine sending an email to a friend on the other side of the world or streaming your favorite TV show online. Have you ever wondered how all this information travels across vast distances almost instantly? Well, it's all thanks to an intricate network of undersea cables. These cables, spanning thousands of miles, lay beneath the ocean's surface, linking continents together. They carry data in the form of light signals, using a technology called fiber optics. It's like a massive information highway that spans the globe. When you send an email or browse the internet, your data gets converted into light signals that travel through these cables at the speed of light. It's astonishing how fast it happens, but that's not the end of the journey. Once the data reaches its destination continent, it needs to find its way to the correct recipient. That's where data centers and servers come into play. These are like giant digital warehouses that store and process the information. Data centers house countless servers that work tirelessly to process, store, and distribute information. They are like the heart and brain of the digital world, ensuring seamless communication across the globe. To ensure efficient delivery, the data is routed through a network of routers and switches. These devices act as traffic controllers, directing the data packets along the most efficient paths to reach their intended recipients. It's like a massive interconnected web, where data travels along different paths, hopping from one device to another until it reaches its final destination. But wait, there's more! Data doesn't just travel through undersea cables and land-based networks. Satellites also play a vital role in global data transmission. They beam signals from space, enabling communication in remote areas and connecting continents without physical cables. Thanks to these incredible technologies, we can send and receive information from almost anywhere on the planet. The world truly becomes a global village, where ideas, knowledge, and experiences are shared with ease. And that, my friends, is the amazing journey of data across the globe. From undersea cables to data centers and satellite communication, we are interconnected like never before. For more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. See ya.